Hello guys, this is Carefree from MSI and we're at MSI Taipei headquarters to introduce to you some newest, latest and also the most powerful system and machine. But I'm sorry, it's not the PS5, but the MSI MEG Aegis Ti5. Which equipped with the newest Intel 10th Gen processor and also Nvidia RTX 30 series graphics card. So the maximum of the spec for the Aegis Ti5, which could equip with the 10900K processor and also RTX 3080 graphics card, and the memory could be upgraded up to 128GB. So you might wondering what's the function about this button, which we call the gaming knob. So this is a small panel that could control a few things. So for instance, I think you guys should be familiar with the MSI own RGB feature called the Mystic Light. So with the gaming knob, we could simply to control the Mystic Light mode through the button. So when I choose the default, then it will change the Mystic Light mode. Instead of like you have to settle with the software inside the system, you could control simply by a button. And also we have different features that, for instance, monitor, which will show the basic data for the system, such as the processor frequency, temperature, or like whatever the basic data that you want to show on the system. And also we have the shortcut button. So it means like really shortcut. You could like simply to push the button to launch maybe the browser or the game, and the game you could settle in the software to launch, for instance, Counter-Strike or Overwatch, Fortnite, whatever game that you would like to play, and your favorite game you could just put inside and then to simply to launch with the single button. Also the button that you could choose like the game mode, which would be controlled also by the software inside the MSI Dragon Center, but you could choose the most decent setting for yourself and then just press it with a single button, and then it will adapt to the mood that you customized before. So let's talk about the design and also the internal design of the MSI MEG Aegis Ti5. So our designer it's got like some creation from the movie Tron by the motorcycle. So that's why the Aegis Ti5 had the unique outline and the design. So let's talk about the internal design. At the bottom here, you can see this is where our PSU located. So we use the SFX PSU to fit this unique chassis. And then you might wondering about the cooling system, like with this high-end PC, how about the cooling system? So we have the MSI Silent Stone Cooling 4, which could definitely well control about the cooling and the temperature for each key part. So at the bottom is the PSU chamber. It has its own unique chamber, so you don't have to worry about like when you're doing the overclocking or like some high-end performance that will crush the PSU. And also inside here we have VRM chamber, also processor chamber, and the graphics card chamber. And also at the top we have the front USB Type-C input, and also at the back we have the dual LAN, one with the 2.5G gaming LAN and another with the 1G LAN, and also the sound port. So we also have some other cool stuff that we want to introduce to you, such as the headset hanger. The headset hanger also equipped at the two side panels. And about the RGB lighting, it's not only at the front panel but also at both sides. So this is the brief introduction for the MSI MEG Aegis Ti5. I hope you guys like it, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment.